Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a really high quality pen for yourself or maybe as a gift for someone special, I want to show you this cross pen. This is the classic Century pen, and this is in the chrome medalist finish. And it's just a really beautiful pen. So not only is it beautifully designed and extremely well made from very high quality materials, it has a really nice classic look to it, a very slim design, and a really pretty silhouette. So as far as pens go, this one is really beautiful. It has a nice weight to it, and it's definitely made to last. My husband has had this pen for over a decade, and it is still going strong and it works really well. This is a refillable pen, so you can buy ink to refill it with, so you can really keep it going for a long time. It also comes with a lifetime mechanical guarantee, so even if something should go wrong, you can get this fixed or replaced. The function is great. It works really easy and smooth. You just twist to expose the tip of the pen and a little rotation to tuck it back in. And as far as writing goes, it writes very smoothly. It's easy to hold. It has a nice weight to it, and it's very comfortable in the hand. So if you are looking for a beautiful, high quality luxury pen, then definitely check out this one from Cross. It is a classic for a reason, and that's my point of view.